Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time it's the TW Steel Dario Franchitti Special Edition Men's Chronograph. Unboxing this watch was a true pleasure as it came in this steel, cold to the touch treasure box looking like box with nothing much except the watch inside. This watch is certainly very special as it is inspired from the racer George Dario Marino Franchitti. If you don't know about him, he is a British racing driver who is a 4-time IndyCar Series champion, a 3-time winner of the Indianapolis 500, as well as a winner of the 24 Hours of Daytona. Pretty much every angle of this watch is inspired from this exceptional racer. Let's kick it off with the design. The casing and the tank clasp, made of brushed stainless steel, fairly heavy feeling in my opinion, already scream high quality. The soft rubber strap ends in the clasp with some moderate branding, also seen on the inner side of the strap. The solid back of the casing features the signature of Dario Franchitti and circled within some of his career achievements I mentioned earlier. Covering the front is the black dial with luminous hands and the analog quartz movement and Arabic numeral hour markers. There is also a tachymeter around the outer rim with the text Franchitti on the top right side, and a date display appears between the 4 and 5 o'clock positions. The chronograph features 3 sub-dials. The left one displays the seconds, the right one displays time in the 24-hour format, and the center one displays a tenth of a second. The dial is covered with a substantially thick, scratch-resistant mineral crystal. The actual case is 15mm thick, which is relatively thick because the main case is literally meant to look like a car tire, with the 8 dots outlining the rim and the rubber pillars making the tread. Excellent attention to detail by TW Steel. The right side entails 2 buttons to control the sub-dials with a screw-down crown in the center to set the time as well as the date. The baseline is that this watch is not meant for everyone, as it is pretty bulky on wearing, which is not what most are looking for. However, it's the perfect choice for those that need something unique and exquisite looking and feeling, or are die-hard fans of Sir Franchitti. Closing off with this watch, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'm signing off for now and will be back soon.